Today I'm going to show you how I feed my sourdough starter. If my jar's looking a little crusty, I'll pour a small amount of my starter into a new jar. Then I will pour the rest of the starter into my discard jar. I add a half a cup of all-purpose unbleached flour to the new jar and give it a good mix. I then add unchlorinated water to the new jar a little bit at a time. I'm looking for a very thick pancake batter type consistency. I will continually add a little bit of water at a time until I find the consistency that I like. A lot of people measure out their flour and water very precisely to get ratios. I do more of an eyeball test. I'll take the rubber band from my old jar and place it on my new jar. The rubber band marks the spot where the sourdough has started. That way you can see how much it has grown over the next few hours. And finally, I place a towel over the top of it and I let it grow. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.